Hello and welcome back to Trendtech Guide. I'm your host, here with a quick and simple tutorial. Today I will show you how to download the Telegram app on your phone or computer. Let's get started. If you're using a smartphone, open your App Store, that's the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iPhone. In the search bar, type Telegram. Look for the official app by Telegram FZ Grade LLC and tap Download or Get. Wait for the app to install, it usually takes just a few seconds. Once installed, open Telegram and you're ready to sign up or log in. And that's it. Now you have Telegram on your device. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Got questions? Leave a comment below. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you next time.